showing you guys how to clean the shift solenoid for MDX. This is from I think 2004 or 5 to 2009. So basically, you have the intake boot here, and this is going to be clamped down to this. So you just use a needle nose pliers and disconnect this off the boot, and then from there you use a 5.5 millimeter socket and take this off, loosen the clamp, and then there's another 5.5 millimeter that's going to be connected to this. This is the intake boot itself. Well, this is the intake boot, and then this is the intake, or the air intake. And basically, you don't have to take the top of the air intake off. You just take out the 10 that sits here. There's a 10 millimeter that sits here, and then there'll be another 10 that sits right here. And that's it. You just loosen those. And then once you loosen those, then you can like pull this out. The intake boot, you can pull that out. And then you can pull out the intake box. It should come right out after you take out those. The mass airflow sensor, I have that out. I clean that with some mass airflow sensor cleaner. So I'm cleaning that right now. And then the intake manifold gasket cover. And in the process of cleaning the intake manifold also. And the throttle body on this MDX. Okay, so this is the shift solenoid. Basically it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 10s, and then you press on this tab to pull the connector off. But this car seems to be it's not letting me let it go, so I don't want to break the tabs. So what I did was I just took out the 4 screws and then lifted it from the base, the back here, and lifted it up to break it loose, like wiggled it until it finally came off. So this is the solenoid off, and then there's the little valves that you take out, and you spray cleaner in these valves to clean out each one by one, and then you put them back, and then that's it. So basically I'm gonna take these out right now. They just slide right out like this. This is one. So what I'm going to do is take one by one out so I remember where each one was. So this one doesn't have any gasket in it. So this one is good to go put back where it came from. Okay. I'm going to take out this one, the second one. I'm going to take out the one far in the back. Clean this off just with a rag. You don't need any other cleaner unless there's a gasket inside. This one has no filter inside, so that one's good to go. This one right here seems to be giving me a little bit of issue, so I'm gonna get a needle nose pliers and pull that one out. Just give me 1 minute. All right, so I got it out. This is it. This one actually has a filter in this one, so I'll be spraying cleaner in there. That one is the one that went here on the side, so I took that one out. So now I'm just gonna wipe it down. Okay. And then you see in there where the gasket is. Hold on, let me see. Get some light in it. Oh, there you go. So now you guys can see. Gasket's pretty clean, but I'm still gonna spray some cleaner in there just to get it cleaner than actually what it is. So what I'm gonna do is actually get the spray cleaner and then just spray through the hole a couple times and then let it sit out to dry a little and then put everything back, and that's it. All right, so right now what I did was I just sprayed the cleaner inside, so everything is good to go. Okay, let it dry out for a little. and then put it right back. That's it. Okay, so this is what it looks like fully clean. Remember, the filter side that sits on this end, the filter end goes down first, and then the other top part sits on the top. So right now I'm just gonna put this back in its spot. Just go down there with a cloth, clean cloth. Just wipe everything up, make everything look nice and clean. Gasket's a little tore, but it'll be fine. Won't leak anything. Okay. So since I can't take the connector off, I'm gonna have to spray it on the car, the solenoid. Just put a little cleaner in it. Try not to get on all the electronics down there. Spray it in there. Just let it sit for a little. Break down whatever's in there. And you use the little intake throttle body cleaner. What you can use is you can use the straw and put it on to get a better aim. But I'm pretty good at aiming. Do this a lot. So after that finished drying out, I'm gonna flip it over, drain it out, wipe it down, and put it back on top, and it should be good to go. And that's how you clean the solenoid. Okay, so now that that's finished drying out, finished cleaning the inside, that's good to go. If you can't get this connector off, do not fight with it, because you do not want to break that connector, because then you're going to be screwed. So now you put it down on top, line it up. Put the 4 screws back in. Two, 3, 4. So I'm gonna cheat because I got a Milwaukee Impact and it doesn't really just gonna snug it down. I already put them in by hand already. Screwed them in by hand. So I'm not gonna over tighten it, just gonna tighten it enough so it bottoms out. And that's it. You change your shift solenoid. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment.